All right, in this example we have a function such that the derivative is less than 0. What does that mean?
Okay, so it's negative. It means it's going down.
Good, so the function's decreasing. Oh, look at my wonderful handwriting. Decreasing from 1 to 4. Okay, at the point 4, 2, so it's going to go through this point, then the graph of the function has a gradient of 0. Okay, so it goes from decreasing to a gradient of 0. It won't quite do that, but... so it says, write down the equation of the tangent to the graph at this point here. Okay, so we know that the tangent has a slope of 0 and goes through this point, so it's going to have an equation of y equals. And what's the y equals?
Okay, so it's going to be when y equals 2.
Excellent. So it's kind of tricky in the wording. It can throw you off a little bit. It's number 15, so it's near the end. It's a very difficult question. But if you can tease out the main ideas from the problem, then you can see decreasing and then flattens out. Gradient of 0, equation of a tangent that's flat is going to be a y equals situation.
Do we need a sketch? Should we have a little...
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Sketch of that one.
So from 1 to 4, we're coming down. And here at the point 4, 2. Is that right?
Yep, that's right. So we got a horizontal line.
Okay.
All right, what do we got next? State whether f4 is greater than, equal to, or less than f2. Okay, so our function was decreasing, so when we put 2 into our function, we got a greater amount, didn't we, than when we got down to 4.
Okay.
So f4 is less than.
Is that enough for me to get full points here?
State, I guess you probably want f4 is less than f2.
If it just says state, then we should get full points
State.
for that.
Okay.
So f of 4 is less than f of 2, if we like. But that's what they're after there. And then in part C, given that the function is increasing from 4 to 7, so now our function is going to increase from 4 to 7. Beautiful sketch here. What can you say about the point P?
Okay, so it looks like from our graph we've got a minimum.
Good. So it was a good suggestion to make that sketch because bringing all these ideas into a nice visual diagram could really help clarify and make answering the problems easier, shall we say.
Yep.